Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today it's been very long since I created videos and uploaded them. So today I wanted this video to be interesting. So let's start. So today's topic is about the wonderful world of science. Okay, so it's more likely about what is science, what all do we have in science, a lot of like that. So let's get into the video. So first itself, let's learn the definition of science. Okay, science is a way of thinking, observing, and doing things to understand the world we live in and to uncover the secrets of the universe. So in short, it's like telling science is a way of thinking, observing, and doing things to understand the world. And we can know a lot more about the universe. So it's understandable. The definition will make you understand about science halfway through it. Now, let's go to the next concept, the scientific concept. So, what are the scientific concepts? You will be thinking. So, scientific concepts are what, who, why, where, how, and when. So, for example, if you're thinking about the gravity, so what is gravity? Like, so if your teacher says, let's talk about gravity, so you think, what is gravity? Who found it out? Where was it found? Why was it found? How was it found? When was it found? There's going to be a set of questions in your mind. That's called the scientific concepts. The next one is branches of science. So the branches of science are physics, chemistry, biology, social studies or social science, and environmental studies. So social studies or social science is, its short form is SST, and for environmental studies it's EVS. So for me, in my school, till first grade till 5th you'll have EVS, and till 6th till 12th you'll have science and social science. So the next thing, scientific method. Observation. First one is observation. So you're given an experiment. Okay, so the experiment is take a glass water bottle. So it's a video, a glass. They add water in it, and then they also add oil on it. Okay, and the oil floats. So you will observe it. Then you think of a question. How is it working? What is it doing? Like that. That's where the scientific concept get in, okay? And then guess an answer. Form of hypothesis. So you're gonna guess an answer. So why is it floating but water is still there? So you will guess of an answer. Okay, what if it's because of this? What if it's because of that? And then you're going to experiment it yourself. So you're going to at home, you're going to take the glass of water, add oil on top of it, and the oil floats. So you will again think, and then you will analyze the result. Okay, so you're going to research about it and then you will find the answer. Okay, so, and then we also have an NIM, National Identity Mark. So it is Science in UAE. For now I found 4 things. Okay, science in UAE. It can be solar panel, the plants, the places, everything, anything can be there. So the first thing I found is cloud seeding, which is the National Center of Meteorology scientists in the UAE make artificial rain by using planes. So National Center of Meteorology, they are the whole company which works in the cloud seeding. Okay, so that's a science. Next one, renewable energy from Noor Abu Dhabi Solar Planet, or one of the world's largest solar farms in the UAE. You all know what solar panels are, right? So solar panels are taking the energy from the sun and making electricity. Next one, again, okay, but this is not renewable energy, but this is solar panels. It's from Masdar City. Masdar City uses solar planets to clean energy. It will reduce pollution and will save natural resources. Okay, so there's this city called Masdar City in the Abu Dhabi. They use solar panels. So we in actual cities and stuff, we do some buildings and all use solar panels, but then most will take electricity. Okay, and this Masdar City, it takes from the solar panels, from the solar. Solar means the sun. It takes the energy from the sun and creates electricity. Next one, space science. Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center. Scientists build satellites and train astronauts in Dubai. So this Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center is from Dubai. So it builds satellites and it trains astronauts in Dubai. So actually, when you're going to the space, all the astronauts need the training, what to do if you're stuck there, how to refill, how to do this, how to do that, and all. They train them too. And also they create satellites. Okay, so we have came into an end of this lesson. Let's do with the concept map. So concept map, here it means that what you understood from this lesson. So what I learned is, I learned the scientific methods, I learned the definition of science, I know the scientific concepts, and I know the branches of science. I hope you all have learned something wonderful today. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.